So hello guys, today we are going to achieve this functionality or real-time scenario or real-time problem you can say, okay, in this video. That is, we need to generate a custom Excel file from ServiceNow with dynamic header. And we are going to achieve it through the background script. And the same script you can use in your UI action or anywhere, okay? So let me show you what we are trying to achieve. So you guys can see it's a template. Okay, it's a template table which have been created, means it's a custom table. There I have put two fields. Select the processes, select more fields. And this select more fields is a list collector. And here in the reference qualifier, I have written that depends upon this process, this select more fields, this variable option will be going to be changed in the reference list. Okay. So now what is the need? So let's say I have removed those two fields from here, and through the script, I am trying to generate a template for this record, okay, for this particular record. Okay. So what it will do, it will generate a custom template for me with some standard fields or header. Okay, but the twist is if I will select these fields and let's say this assigned to fields and I have logged it, and again if I run a script, that time it needs to generate one custom Excel file along with the standard field. Also, these two fields needs to be also included in your Excel as a header. Okay, for achieving this thing, first I thought to go with a glide Excel, but that somehow that was not work in my PDI. So this is a solution, or this is a piece of code which I have been written for achieving this functionality. So what I have did, first I took a variable, that is, if you want to create or you want to publish some raw data in your Excel template, for that I took a variable. Here I am just giving an XML version of this. Full XML, in a XML format, we have created the Excel. Means the columns of the Excel style. Okay, what style we need to be put over here that I have been given. It is a font. What font you want to give? Is it bold or not? Okay. So here I am taking bold is equals to 1, means it is making the font bold. Then here is the styles. You can change the style. You can name the sheet. Let's say worksheet I name as the incident data. Okay. Now, if I will change it to the process data. Okay. I am giving the column table. It will be going to be create as a table. Then I am defining the headers and apply the bold style. So here I am just putting, as I told, the standardized things. Okay, this number, open, short description, created color. This all are my standardized template header. Okay. Now what I told that I need to dynamically also add these fields. Okay, in our Excel. So for that thing, what I did, I make a glide record to our custom table. Here you can put any of table on which you want to run this. I made an encoded query for that record, make a query. So what all fields value I'm just getting, I'm pushing that thing and storing that thing in an array. I am just pushing those values in an array one by one, split that thing with the comma and pushing that thing in an array. Next, what I have been did over here, I have again run a for loop. There, I added those array. Okay, I added that array for creating the dynamic header. Okay, that is the main funda and that is the main challenge in this code or in this solution. Then I have retrieved all the things. Here I am not retrieving any data as of now. Okay, if you want to retrieve any data, you can do that with a for loop or while loop. You can retrieve the data and you can push that data in your Excel file. If anyone need that script, they can comment. I'll be also going to give this whole script in our description. Okay, here I am putting this. What is the name you are going to give of the data that I have been put it over here? Then I'm closing the XML structure. How we've been started here, means closing here. That's the way we have been started also here. Okay. Then what I have been done, once your attachment got created or Excel got created, I make a functionality that it will be going to be automatically attached in this record or correspondent record. Okay. So as of now, if I have been saved this, so you guys can see here is no attachment attached. And I named it as a test XLS. For now purpose, I am giving it as a process XLS. And I am going to execute this script. Okay, what it is giving over here. Let me reload this page. See, now it is printing the array. Why? Just because of here I am adding one info message for printing that what all extra columns needs to be added in the Excel. So email and assign to these two I have been selected, so that will be going to populate. Now if I am reloading this, okay, see one Excel has been added, that is process. If I will download it, okay, and if I will click on it, so you guys can see one Excel has been created with the standard field, number, open, short description, created color, and two fields has been added in the Excel as a dynamic. Okay. If I will come here in this record and I am removing these fields, okay, normally simple, I am removing this field and cut it. Now I close it and I am saved it. Okay. Again, now again I am come to my background script. I am giving now the document name process one, and I again run the script. If I will reload it, you guys can see one process, one document also got added. But this time there is no additional things. Okay, additional field is not there. Only the static fields which I have been derived from here. Okay, through the script that only come over here. Number of open, short description, and this stuff. So if I will download this and if I will open this, so you guys can see only number, opened, short description, created, color. Only these many things are coming over here. Okay. So this standardized thing which I have been did in a raw format, I will suggest you guys can create any system property and you can call that thing in your script. You can store that thing in an array and you can put that thing in a loop. How I am just doing for the dynamic fields. Okay, without giving the hard coded value. So I will paste this code in our description. And if you guys want to know these kinds of interesting things and facts about our ServiceNow applications, so you guys can subscribe my channel. So that's it for today. Thank you.